Today's world is full of threats. Terrorists and criminals use the latest technological achievements, including unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones. Hertz Systems Limited, a Polish company with 30 years of experience in design and construction of security systems, has decided to respond to threats resulting from uncontrolled drone usage. The Hawk system enables real-time tracking and monitoring. Specialized software is able to distinguish drones from manned aircraft and birds, completely eliminating the risk of false alarms. Professionals who deal with the protection of facilities and people are fully aware that in terms of security, there cannot be any compromise. The Hawk system that allows the monitoring, detection, and neutralization of drones gives such people the advantage they need.